1999 Polaris Indy Classic XLT 600 triple. It's got electric start and reverse. We're tearing this machine down into parts. It does run, it does drive, it's just got a little carburetor issues. Needles and seats are stuck. It's got 1,748.5 miles on it, original. Put it in reverse. This is the Evolved chassis. Plastic skis, mirrors, hood's in good shape. You can give Martos Motorsports a call at 218-844-4968 if you want to buy parts off that machine. Again, it was a 1999 Polaris Indy XLT Classic 600. I'll come around the building here in a little bit. Thanks for stopping.